So this is how you start the process. Just copy the link that will come with this video. Go to your MetaMask, click on that browser, and then paste the link here, right? And then you are going to paste it there and click on search. Okay, then you wait for it to load up, and then when it loads up, you click on that join testnet. Okay, choose MetaMask and then click on connect. When you click on connect, you wait for it to load up, and then you click on that confirm. Okay, click on confirm and then switch network to Heaven 1. Okay, by that you are switching to Heaven 1. Then click on got it, and then you continue with it.
So right now we have connected our Heaven 1. So if you click on the wallet, you're going to see that we now have Heaven 1 network here. Okay, and we have switched to it already. So let's go back to the browser. From here, you can see this has been ticked. You just enter your email, the email you use in signing up for Satoshi. So you enter it, and then you hit on sign up. So after hitting on sign up, you wait for a while for it to load, and you can see this connected, and it will pop up the next step for you. This is the wallet I connected. Every other details, I'm now going to add all these details. Okay, before this sign up will pop up, and then I will click on them. So this is where I'm going to add account type, which is personal. Then here jurisdiction, which is my country. You add it accordingly. So as you can see, account type individual, country Nigeria, and then this sign up pop up. I will then click on sign up and wait for it to load. Okay, hope you can see. Then we'll move to the next step. So after a successful sign up, just scroll down to where you are going to see testnet faucet. So you just click on it, and then it will load up, and you are going to see sign in to access faucet. You click on it and you wait for a while. Then you see sign. You click on sign because you want to receive free Heaven 1. So you click on sign, and then you wait for it to load up again. You click on request testnet H1. You click on it, and you wait for a while for it to load up. Okay, you can see you say transaction successful. Okay, and then just click on I'll do it later. But when you go back to your wallet, click here, go back to your wallet, you can see that we have received 10 H1. Okay, 10 H1. So we'll go back to the browser now. Then we'll continue for the verification, for the KYC. So to do that, you click here. Okay, remember you are clicking here. So it will take us to where we'll complete the KYC, as you can see. So you just scroll down, and then so you are either going to see sign up or connect. Okay, then you click on this. Always choose MetaMask. Okay, and then you click connect, and then wait for it to load up, and then you can see this is the wallet we connected, right? And then when you scroll down, you are going to see verify identity. So you click on verify identity. You can take your time to read all these things. Okay, you can take your time to read all these things. When you are going to click on verify identity, and then you see all this. Okay, you will be asked to sign in as well. So when you click on sign in, always you sign into your MetaMask. You're signing into your MetaMask, and of course you wait for it to load up. Then you are going to see all these options. You go step 1. Okay, check your personal information. So you can click here to check your personal information, and after checking if it's correct, this will be highlighted, you confirm. So this is just the information, personal information they ask you to check. After Nigeria, individual, Nigeria. So you just click on confirm, and then you wait for it to load up again before you proceed for the verify step 2, which is verify identity. You can see verify your identity, which is step 2. I just pop up now. Proof of liveliness, and then ID document. So when you click here now, you'll be taken to where you are going to prove liveliness. You're going to do a short recording and then of yourself being lively, and after that you'll be required to upload documents. All right, so what you are going to do is when you are done with that first step, okay, and then the step 2 pops up for you. As you can see the verification that is needed, proof of liveliness and ID document. So to complete the proof of liveliness and ID documents, read what is telling you. It's saying that you cannot do it on the MetaMask platform, that you should copy this and head over to your browser. So you are copying this and go over to your Mrs. browser. Okay, this is how Mrs. browser looks like. Okay, you go over to your Mrs. browser, and then you paste the link that we just copied, paste it here, and then you search. Okay, you search and wait for it to load up. Mine is showing load up because I've searched for it. So you can see down, it will load up and pop up this. Then you click on start verification. Okay, you don't need to do any other thing. It is just as simple as that. Then you click on grant permission. It's going to be successful on Mrs. browser. So that's just what you are going to do. You allow, grant permission, then you allow, okay, until you close this site. Just allow.
Now this is a common challenge you are going to encounter. You can see the permission was not granted, right? You try again, it's not granted. All you are going to do is just to, instead of allow, okay, you are going to click on block and block it completely. I'm going to provide a solution to that now, and then it will go straight up. So instead of that allow, you're just going to block it because it's not going to permit you, but I'll show you how you can navigate it. So after clicking on block, right, after clicking on block, all you need to do is click on this place, right? When you click on this for the 3-dotted line, you are going to scroll down, and then you're going to see, go to the browser setting. Okay, then you scroll down and go to site setting, right? When you go to site setting, then you see camera. You can see camera is blocked. You click on it, and then you're going to click on Android settings. See, it says to let Mrs. access your camera, also turn on camera in Android settings. So you click on it. This is for Mrs. The same steps you can also take if you are using other browsers. Then you click on permissions. Okay, click on permissions, and then you're going to see camera, right? You are going to see camera, and then you click on camera. You can see not allowed. Okay, but when you click on camera, you're going to see allow only while using the app. Ask every time allow, just click allow only while using the app. Okay, and then that is it. You go back, and then you can see that camera has been added to the list of allowed now. So you go back fully, go back completely, and okay, as you can see, so you just click on that blocked one for further site preference setting, and then you click on allow, select allow, yeah, and then you go back. Camera is allowed now, completely allowed. Then you go back, you click on this grant permission. Now you click on grant camera permission, okay, and then it's going to work now. Then you click on scan my face. All right, so you click I am ready, you move close, and then it's captured, it's uploading. All right, successful. So after that is done, the face capture is done. Is remaining ID document capture and official ID document. You click here to continue. Make sure that your ID is ready, but we're going to click there so that you see the various IDs that you can possibly use. You choose your country first,
mine is Nigeria, and then you choose the ID type that you want to use. Me, I want to use my international passport, so I'm clicking on international passport. You can use your national ID, driver license, resident permit, and all that. So you click on it, and then make sure it's ready so that you take the picture. And before you click on scan my documents, make sure that it's well placed. So I'm just going to do that now, and I will continue the recording at the point of submission. So as soon as you are done scanning, it uploads automatically, and that's all. You click on continue. You're going to click on this continue, right? And it's going to pop up telling you that pending verification. That's all you need to do. You say your identity is currently being verified. Please allow up to 24 hours for the process to be completed. That's all you need to do. You click on finish. Take note that the linking of the wallet, okay, has actually started yesterday, but you can still partake in this testnet, as it is a must, okay, according to them, for you to receive your Heaven One tokens. And you are linking, after the verification, you are linking this same wallet that you are verifying now. It's actually the wallet that you are verifying. So copying that link from your MetaMask to either Mrs. browser, Kiwi browser, or Chrome browser to continue this is a continuation of the process. Don't go and start afresh on Mrs. browser. You are copying that link, which also already has your details, okay, the detail of the wallet. So you are copying the link down to Mrs. or any other browser you want to use, but don't continue in MetaMask because it won't go. So that is it. You click on finish, and then you await within 24 hours to get your verification. When it is verified, you're going to see a big green badge, okay, a green badge, okay, this place. Now let me open the MetaMask. Yes, when it's verified, this question mark, this is going to appear as a green badge, tick badge, good badge, and that is the success of it. So that's going to be all. If you have any question, you ask, and then I'll also be available to attend to you. So I'll just click on finish now, and I'll wait.
Please don't forget that this is MetaMask now, and you are starting from MetaMask. And then when you get to this point, you copy this link, okay? You can see copy URL. Then this is where you're going to copy to go over to Mrs. or Kiwi or Chrome to continue. By that, you are continuing with the process you have started in MetaMask already. Already you have linked your wallet. So take note of that. You can see that it's clearly written here that you cannot complete the process here, which is why you are copying this link to your browser to complete the process there. Don't go and start and initiate a new process, okay? This wallet is already registered, and that is the wallet you are verifying to prove that you are partaking in the testnet. So you are continuing the process in whatever browser you are copying the link, this link to. So that is it.